whatever happens, for me, it's been a massive, massive success, like big time, because I'll always eat properly now. We'll always check my levels, sometimes 5.5, sometimes 7.3. It varies between them, but they all seem good.
It wasn't really about the weight for me, like we said before. It's more about the blood sugars. They were like 17, 18. Now I'm averaging about 7, 8.
Everything's down. My cholesterol levels down. My blood pressure's perfect. So for me, yeah, it's brilliant.
And now borderline diabetic, which is good. Yeah, very good.
We started the food reintroduction 3 weeks ago now. It's been 3 weeks this week, food reintroduction. So it's 2 shakes, 1 meal a day. And then you're allowed 2 pieces of fruit and limitless vegetables.
Up till the coronavirus started, I was going well, losing weight and feeling good. But since this pandemic, I've just gone off the rails.
I had a couple of splits, basically. I got depressed with this, everything that's going on, so yeah, I ate. Yeah, I had pizza, all the stuff you're not really supposed to be having.
You do feel a lot more hungry when you're stuck in the house. You can't just go out, because we've not been out since it all started.
For the past 3 or 4 weeks, I was back to my old self again. I wasn't sleeping, getting up in the middle of the night, feeling sluggish, tired. But like I say, this week, feeling much better, much more positive.
If you are struggling, all I can say is, I know how hard it is with this COVID-19. Everybody's stuck indoors, pick. When you're sitting indoors and there's nothing to do, that's the sort of thing that will tempt you. But in the long run, which is only 3 months on them shakes, then you can go back onto the food. So if you can just last them 3 months and then get back on the food, don't matter what it takes, you've got to think of the long run, what you're going to get out of it, and you will reap the benefits, trust me.
I'm trying my best to correct it and put the diabetes in remission.
I have to admit, it's been really, I just have these moments where I just binge, just out of, just feeling fed up or down. I'll be there at night kicking myself, June, you didn't do very well this night. Look what you did today. You had this, you had that, you shouldn't have done it.
I thought, I've gone off the rails a bit, that's it. But I've spoken to Marion and I've gone again on it. And just in the last week, I'm feeling the benefits. I've got 5 weeks to go and I'm determined to get it done.
Ian, talk to your dietitians and they will keep the encouragement going for you, because sometimes that's how you feel like you're on your own and you're not doing it. But talk to the dietitians, they really do help and give you that positive vibe and that positive feeling. So persevere, keep going, because it is worth it. It is worth it.
You've got to be thinking, this is going to get rid of my diabetes, this is going to make my life better, this is going to make my life longer. So all I can say, mate, is even though we're down here, you're out there in the West Country, stick with it, son.
Because of those 2 weeks I've had eating, I'm back on week 8, I think, 7 or 8. Yeah, and stick with it now until I finish.
I saw my sister and she goes, yeah, God, you've lost a lot of weight. She said, yeah, definitely, I can see the difference. So definitely keeping me going, yeah. And I got into a size 10 dress yesterday. Can't believe it, yeah.
I feel healthier.
My belly's totally gone now. I mean, I've dropped like from a 40 waist to a 30. I mean that's ridiculous, that. And like the waist size is like, and now I wear skinny jeans. So it's just mad.
Gone down a size in clothes. Just overall feeling much better. I'm much more positive in myself. More confidence.
And it really is nice cooking from scratch rather than buying convenience food. In a way, this lockdown has kind of helped for you to be able to do that. You have time to be able to take time and cook your food from the beginning and enjoy each thing, each ingredient that you add. My portion sizes to start with were a bit large.
It's like when Simon makes his own curries, he uses all fresh ingredients. His curries are quite healthy, but it's the amount of the portion. It'll do 2 meals rather than 1. So it's like halving your portions, isn't it, really?
It will be worth in the end, yeah, definite.
Stick with it, son. That's all I can say. You will reap the benefits in the end, no matter what.
Just say to yourself, I can do this. I can. And I will.